Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on the project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Vechain. Sovereign Wealth Fund Vet eyes $150 million for crypto fund of funds. A former sovereign wealth fund professional is targeting $150 million for crypto fund of funds under the Neural Capital banner, betting on the Web3 revolution, with backing from one of the industry's biggest moneymakers. Rabia Iqbal plans to close the new firm's first fund at the end of February, according to a source familiar with the matter, and marketing materials obtained by Blockworks. Iqbal declined to comment. Neural's flagship vehicle, First Light Fund, plans to deploy capital to crypto-focused hedge and venture capital managers, along with token investments and direct equity stakes in the blockchain sphere. First Light was constructed to maximize alpha, while avoiding the need to actively manage a portfolio of funds, tokens and equity positions, the marketing materials state. The firm, which has a presence in New York, Hong Kong and Puerto Rico, is backed by Kinetic Capital, a proprietary investment firm that has invested in BlockFi, FTX and Solana in seed rounds. Kinetic executives Jihin Chu and Tony Gravinis are Neural general partners and contributing to a sizable GP commitment for the fund. Iqbal's venture is one of a growing number of crypto fund of funds operators to emerge lately, drawn by an abundance of portfolio managers to launch funds in the space in the last year or so. Former Fidelity Digital Funds executive Michael Zieneman is also attracting the interest of institutional investors for his crypto fund of funds, Dual Worlds. The source said Neural has an edge in being woman-run and minority-owned, a boon to institutional investors looking to diversify their portfolios, plus having the backing of crypto natives. Indeed, more than half of the firm's roster of fund managers come from diverse backgrounds, according to the marketing materials. What's next for Neural? Neural already has its second and third funds on the horizon. The firm is aiming for the second quarter to launch Dawn Fund 1, which is targeting $100 million to make anchor investments with preferred fee terms in emerging managers focused on specific sectors. Also slated had been made public, but the digital asset found it hard to hold this point. Instead, there was a subsequent downtrend that brought the price back down. However, the momentum would prove to not be dead as the recovery would pick up the next day. By Thursday, Cardano had recovered to as high as $0.857 from its trending week low of 78 cents. After touching this point, the digital asset would return back down, only to begin trading at a higher low. It settled above $0.8 as of the early hours of Friday, and continues to trend in this region. What the indicators say both the short and long-term forecasts for Cardano are not too positive. At the current price, the digital asset is trading well below its 50 and 100-day moving averages. Both of these determine if investors are willing to purchase a digital asset at a lower or higher price, and right now, investors coming into the cryptocurrency seem to want to purchase ADA at low prices. eBay integration. Yannon addressed the boom of digital assets on eBay. In 2021, the company changed its policy allowing users to trade their non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Before this change was introduced, users were trading their digital assets on the platform. The CEO said. So even without announcing anything or doing anything, people started trading NFT on a platform. It reminded me of many years ago when people just started selling cars when we didn't even have a vehicle business at that point. So we're seeing the same type of thing with NFT. The executive is aiming at making eBay a hub for digital assets trading, a place where people can trade goods, whether they be physical or digital. However, eBay has been hinting and talking about the possibility of accepting Bitcoin and crypto payments for years. Remains to be seen if March 10 will finally be the month when the rumor becomes reality. The NFT sector has been heavily affected by a recent phishing scam that allowed bad actors to steal assets from OpenSea. The most important NFT marketplace in the industry, its transaction volume has been on a decline since February 20th, when the vulnerability was revealed. Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain Price Prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain Price Prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. Vet Price Prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Vet will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents, and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet Price Forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Vet price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price 29 cents level. Vet Price Prediction 2027. Vet will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain N 2027 average price prediction could be around 42 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Vechain Price Prediction 2028. It appears that by 2028, Vechain Vet prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be 60 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Vechain's maximum price could be up to 72 cents in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.